We'll begin with the second expansion formula. So first one was ax plus a x plus b. Okay, so students, today we are going to learn the expansion of the next expansion formula, that is expansion of a plus b the whole cube. Okay, so if you can see this expansion, they have shown it in your textbook. I've taken the textbook image itself to explain it to you all. So if you can see, a plus b the whole cube it is, that's why the bracket has been written 3 times. So in the first step itself, a plus b into a plus b into a plus b, though there is no multiplication sign in between, all the 3 brackets have been multiplied. Okay, so the first bracket remains separate, whereas the next 2 brackets are taken together. That's why it is written as a plus b the whole square. Okay, now in the second step, if you see, the first bracket again it's written the same, whereas the second bracket, that is a plus b the whole square, has been split into another expansion formula. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, in the third step is equal to, the first brackets a has been multiplied by the second bracket plus the first brackets b has been multiplied by the second bracket. So a into the bracket, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, gives you what? A into a square will be a cube plus a into 2ab will be 2a square b plus a into b square will be ab square, plus we will move to the second part, that is b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. So b into a square will be ba square plus b into 2ab will be 2ab square, because there are 2 b's, plus b into b square will be b cube. Okay, next a cube plus 2a square b plus ab square plus ba square plus 2ab square plus b cube. Now you need to find out which are the same terms which can be added. So in that second last step, you can see there is 2a square b plus ab square plus ba square. So this ba square, it is actually a square b. It can be written as a square b also, and we have 2a square b, and here we have 1a square b. So that 1a square b and 2a square b will get added, and you will get 3a square b. So 2 plus 1 3. Whereas again you see ab square is coming once, and the next is written as 2ab square. So 2ab square plus ab square will give you 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, and in that way a plus b the whole cube gives you a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. You all saw the expansion formula, that is, now here you can see the first question I've written of practice set 5.2. I will first write the formula that I have, that is a plus b the whole cube. We'll see what its expansion is. Just now we learned the expansion, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so this is the expansion formula. We are going to substitute this question in this expansion. Okay, I'll write the question once again, that is k plus 4 whole cube. In place of a is k, so you will write k cube plus 3a square b. So 3, yes, into a square means k square, into b is 4 plus 3 into a is again k into b square it is, so 4 square, 4, so you have to do square. Okay, square of 4, you have to find out square of 4 plus 4 cube, that is b cube. In place of b there is 4. We are going to split this, we are going to solve this and write. So you will get k cube plus, this is what, 3 4s are 12 k square plus, this is what, 4 square, correct? So 4 4s is 16, and 16 into 3 is 48. K is not having any square or anything, so just k you write down, plus 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So this is your answer. In this way you have to solve. This is the second sum, that is 5x upon y plus y upon 5x whole cube. So I took the first sum and I am taking the 8th sum. Actually this is the 8th sum, but I am showing just two sums. One a simple one, and this is one of the fraction, that's why I am showing this one. Okay. So again the same way, we will first write the expansion formula. This is the formula. You have to expand and write how does the expansion come. That is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, and you have to substitute 5x upon y plus y upon 5x. So this is your a and this is your b, that you have to substitute in this formula. Okay, so we'll start substituting. First you have to substitute a cube. A is 5x upon y, so you will have to put the bracket as it's a fraction and show cube. So this is a cube plus 3a square. So again I'll put the bracket. A is 5x upon y and a's square we need, whereas b is what, y upon 5x. Okay, so that is your 3a square b. Okay, plus 3a, that is 5x upon y, b square. So y upon 5x whole square, that is 3ab square. Last, plus b cube. Okay, so this is the split formula, that is 5x upon y the whole cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, now we will solve this. So when you take cube, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. X will also get the cube form because it's being multiplied 3 times, and even y will get cube. So 125x cube upon y cube, because this cube applies to both numerator and denominator, plus, now let's solve this separately, that is 3 inside the bracket, 5 5s are 25x upon y, x square y square upon y upon 5x plus 3 5x upon y, and this will get squared, so y square upon 5 5s are 25x square, plus this is going to get cubed, so you will get y cube upon 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125x cube. Okay, now this we'll write it like that only because there is no change in this term, so it will come same 125x cube upon y cube, plus this will get multiplied, or directly you can cancel out these two numbers, that is 5 1s are and 5 5s are. Okay, so which numbers are left here in the numerator? Only 5. So 3 5s are 15 and what are the letters are left? You write that x square y whole upon, down there is no number left, but there is the letters left, and that is y square x plus, here also if you see, this is 5 ones are and this is 5 fives are. Okay, so I cancel this, up there is no number left, so I will write 3x y square upon, this will become what? 5x square y plus y cube upon 125x cube. Now children, if you see, here there is nothing common, so that will remain the same, but in the next term if you see, there is something common in these numbers which can get cancelled. So I will cancel 1x from here and 1x from here, so just 1x will be left. I will cancel 1y from here and 1y from here, up and down. Okay, 1 and 1, how you cut like this in the table form, 5 ones are, 5 fives are, same way like this. So this, if I can split up and show, x square is what? X into y, right? X square y is x into x is x square, right? I split and wrote it, and this is y square x, so y into x. Now if we can do cancelling, x and x will get cut, y and y will get cut, just 1x and 1y will be remaining. So that is what we got here, 1x and 1y is remaining. So I will get here 15x upon y plus, again here the same thing. What is happening? You have 2 y's here, here 1 y will get cut, and here 1x and here 2x, here 1x and here 1x will get cut. So 1y and 1x will be remaining. So you will get here 3y upon 5x plus y cube upon 125x cube. So in this way you have to solve the remaining sums.